Welcome back, Pythoners. In this video, we'll just cover how to use PowerShell. Now I know there are a lot of people out there who likes PowerShell, and we shouldn't exclude them. We should show them how it's done. So, for example, if I now open a terminal here in PowerShell, we're going to get a lot of errors. And if we look at them, it says, cannot be loaded, this script activate.ps1, because running scripts is disabled on the system. So we need to activate it. And there's a link here to how to do it. But say you really want to, there's a command. And I'll just paste it in here. And we see, for those that are used to PowerShell, how they name their things. We have the set execution policy, scope process, execution policy bypass, and then it points to the script. And this will only work for this current terminal session. So if I type enter, now we see we have the .fem there. And now I can run the commands like pip list, we can see our version, we can use that. But now if I close this and say I open a new one, we're back to it. So we will have to do this every time. And there's a way we can do this globally or for each kind of PowerShell session. I wouldn't do it. I don't really work with PowerShell, but and I don't want to. I really don't like PowerShell generally. I use either bash or command prompt. But at least for those PowerShell lovers there, this is the way to do it. Thank you.